Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to turn on receiving gifts on TikTok. There is only one way to enable the gift receipts option in the TikTok. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. It can be done with any device, be it an Android or iPhone. When you turn on the option to receiving gifts, every person on TikTok can send you gifts. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. First, make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the App Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on Update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all the way App Store. Tap on Profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on Update All. Log into your account where you want to enable receiving gifts. Tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Open Main Settings. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on three lines. Then proceed to Creator Tools. From Creator Tools, you'll be able to see monetization. Under monetization says Gifts. Proceed to Gifts. And you'll be able to see gifts. That means we should enable this option. Just swipe the slider to the right side. Alright, as you can see, I don't have 100,000 followers. That means I can't enable gifts on TikTok. But if you have 100,000 followers, you'll be able to enable gifts on TikTok account. Simply tap on Turn on Gifts at the bottom of the screen. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.